A man hiccuped for 68 years straight. Imagine that relentless rhythm becoming a lifelong companion. Charles Osborne's peculiar journey began in 1922 without warning, turning a simple bodily reflex into one of the longest recorded medical anomalies. His hiccups, initially occurring up to 40 times a minute, became an uninvited soundtrack to his daily life, baffling doctors and defying numerous treatments. Yet, amazingly, Osborne adapted, managing to live a relatively normal life despite the constant interruptions. His hiccup marathon finally ended in 1990, just a year before he passed away. This bizarre, unceasing melody of hiccups challenges our understanding of the human body and resilience, leaving us to wonder how one endures such an extraordinary ordeal with grace and humor.